Hi friends, welcome to this 7-minute desk stretch break. You can actually do this right where you're sitting. You don't need any props or anything, just you in the chair. And we're gonna open up the chest and the shoulders and release some tension in the neck and leave you feeling refreshed and ready to get back to work. So when you're ready, let's scoot to the middle of the chair, plant both of the feet firmly on the ground. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, draw the shoulders back and down. Good, one more like that. Inhale, lengthen the spine a little taller. Exhale, drop the shoulders back and down. Good, continue this motion with the shoulders. I'm creating big circles with my shoulders here. Squeezing them forward, up and around, back and down my back. Good. Switch directions. Now we're gonna go forward with the shoulders. So I'm scrunching the shoulders up to my ears, coming forward, squeezing in, dropping them down, opening my shoulders back, down. Good, last one, forward. Good, come back to a neutral position. Let's extend our right arm out to the side diagonally. We're gonna flex our fingers up towards us here, feeling a nice stretch down the front of the arm. And then we're gonna lean our head to the left side, feeling a nice stretch in the left side of the neck and down the shoulder. Good, just breathe into this stretch here, settling in. Good, release, come back to center, switch sides. So now my left hand goes diagonally out, reaching towards the floor. My fingers are reaching up towards me, feeling that nice stretch along the front of the arm. And then I'm gonna lean my head to the right side, feeling a stretch all the way down my left shoulder, left arm. Good, continue to deepen your inhales and exhales. And exhale, release everything back to the center. Reach your right arm up, bend your elbow, place your hand between your shoulder blades. Bring your other arm behind your back, reaching the fingertips towards one another. Maybe they touch here. Good, inhale, press your head into the top arm, lifting up, lengthening the spine. Exhale, settle into this pose here. Nice shoulder and chest opening pose. Exhale, release the arms, switch sides. Left arm reaches up, bend the elbow, place the hand between the shoulders. The other arm goes behind the back. Fingers are reaching towards one another. Maybe they touch here. Good, inhale, lengthen, pushing your head into your top arm, opening up. Stay for the exhale. Good, inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, release the hands, lean over to the right side, stretching up and over with your left hand. Your right arm comes across your body, reaching towards your thigh. Good, inhale back up through center. Exhale, lean over to the left side, reaching up and over with the right arm. The left arm goes across your body, reaching for the outer thigh. Release, coming back to a neutral position here. You're gonna interlace the fingers behind the head, winging the elbows open wide. And then as we exhale, we're gonna round the spine, bring the elbows to touch, tuck the chin into the chest, and pulling my neck down towards my knees. Good, inhale, open up. Cactus the elbows wide for a nice shoulder stretch opening. Good, exhale back down, rounding the spine, tucking the chin into the chest, squeezing everything in, elbows touch. Inhale, open up, cactus the arms. Exhale, one more, squeeze down, everything to the center. And pulling my head down towards my knees here. Inhale, open up, cactus the elbows. Exhale, release the arms. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist open to the right side, placing the left hand on the outside of the thigh, twisting to the right. Maybe your gaze goes over your right shoulder. Good, inhale back through center. Exhale, twist open to the left side. The right arm goes to the outside of the left thigh. Maybe your gaze goes over your left shoulder. Good, come back to a neutral position. Interlace your fingers here, and we're just gonna do some wrist circles. So I'm creating big circles with my wrists. My fingers are interlaced. Just moving some blood flow into the wrist, especially if you've been working on the computer a lot today, lots of typing. Good, extend your left hand out in front of you. You're gonna draw your fingers back with your right hand. Your arm is straight, you're just drawing the fingers back for a nice forearm stretch. Good, switch sides, the right hand goes out in front of you. We're gonna pull the fingertips back with the left hand. Right arm is straight, just feeling that nice forearm stretch. And shake it out. Good, now we're gonna come up to a standing position. I'm just gonna move this chair to the side so it can be center. Hip width distance, a wide stance. Firmly plant your feet on the ground. Interlace the fingers behind the low back. Draw your fingers down and back, opening your shoulders and your chest. Maybe your gaze lifts. Good, just breathing into this position here, breathing into your shoulders, your arms stretching. Good, gently release the palms, hinge forward at the hips, fold forward, let your head hang heavy. You can try interlacing the fingers behind the neck here, gently pulling the neck down towards the ground. Very, very gentle. Good, inhale together. And as you exhale, just let the stress and the tension melt down your neck. Good, slowly rise up. You can use the back of your chair or a wall here, but what we're gonna do is place the hands on the chair. We're gonna walk our feet out, hinging forward at the hips again, and I'm letting my head drop through my shoulders here. My arms are straight. I'm tilting the pelvis up. I'm dropping the belly. It's almost like a back bend in my back. Good, you should feel a stretch all along the sides of your arms and into the back of the legs and the hamstrings here. Good, inhale, walk back up to center. And shake out your arms. Do a little shake. And now you're ready to get back to work. So thank you so much for joining me in this stretch. I'll see you in the next class.